Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel.
Like, share, and subscribe. Today I am showing you how to do some mini twists. Just a quick little video. Hopefully you can do it on your kids or yourself with your natural hair. The main product of this is Camille Rose Curl Maker. It smells like marshmallows. It smells so good. But here are the products for this. You're gonna need a denim brush, a comb, some clips, water, and the product itself. I like to section the hair, and since my daughter does have a lot of hair, you need to make sure you do freshly wash your hair first and then put your hair into sections. You see here that one side is moisturized and the other side is a little dry, okay, but that is normal. Okay, just wet it up and you're good to go. I chose 6 sections because she does have a lot amount of hair. And all I'm going to do is detangle each section with a little bit of more water if the water dried out with the towel drying and all of that. So after detangling each section, all I did was make sure that I parted maybe a finger or 2 length. And I created the rose for the twist. It don't have to be rose, it's whatever your preference is. Once I have the preferred section that I want to work with, all I do is make sure I put that product on it and I glide it from root to end and make sure I double detangle, so with the denim brush, to make sure I got everything out, and then I proceed to twist. Here's a slowed up section of me twisting my daughter's hair. Hopefully you can get this mist of it. I know my hand is in the way, but you'll see the twist. I'll have it in another part also. If you twist towards your face, it'll fall in front of your face. If you twist away from your face, it will fall backwards. If I have any moms out there, let me know down below what's your favorite hairstyles for your kids or child, especially the girls, even the boys. Let me know down in the comments. Put a green heart and comment. Here's a slowed up section of me twisting my daughter's hair. Hopefully you can get this mist of it. I know my hand is in the way, but you'll see the twist. I'll have it in another part also. This product I'm using, this is my go-to for her curls, because they come out popping. At the end of this video, I'll show you a little clip of what they look like with just your hair down, okay? After doing all the mini twists, let it dry and put a bonnet on your head and wake up in the morning feeling good, okay? Also, let me know how y'all feeling in these comments. Let me know what you want to see. I can hook you up with, okay? Because I'm all about creating and all of that stuff. I have really new things coming ahead. I can't wait for y'all to see each and every video that I'm posting for 2023. 2023 is our year, not just my year. It is our year to change, okay? To change and be the best people we can be. Could even take these mini twists out and use them as a twist out. Gonna finish up my hair and show you the rest and come back. And don't let anybody ever tell you that your hair is not beautiful just because it's not quote unquote moisturized. It doesn't matter if your hair is dry. It don't matter if your hair is moisturized. You're beautiful within, okay, ladies and gentlemen? Love you guys so much. This is a really cute moment. It's in slow-mo, but you can also see how the curls look after detangling them. But you see that little hand right there, that's her sister, and she loves her sister. And look at this is so funny. And here's the last clip of her hair twisted all up and nice and moisturized, and they look great. I want to also thank each and every one of you for getting me to this point, and I appreciate the support of each and every one of you guys, and I hope you learned some things from me. More videos coming soon. See you. I really enjoyed this hairstyle. If you like it, you should try it. And please like, share, and subscribe, and comment what you would like to see next.